Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best garage door weather stripping is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home maintenance, but it plays a crucial role in energy efficiency and protecting your garage. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of garage door weather stripping, exploring different types, installation tips, and helping you choose the perfect one to seal out the elements and keep your garage comfortable year-round. Number 5. DGSL Garage Door Seal Weather Stripping Kit. This heavy-duty weatherproofing solution features a T-channel ends design. It combines U-shape and O-ring structures for superior airtight and watertight protection. This ensures your garage is well protected. Made with flexible waterproof rubber, this product is built to last. It can maintain optimal performance from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it withstands various weather conditions. Installation is effortless, with no screws or nails required. This garage door seal kit is a quick and easy solution to replace your old one. You can get it done in no time. The dual rubber design significantly reduces noise. This universal sealing strip creates a tight seal for both interior and exterior doors, keeping your garage warm and comfortable. It's a great way to improve your garage's environment. The soft material allows for easy trimming to fit your floor threshold perfectly. You can customize it to ensure a snug fit. This flexibility makes it suitable for various garage door setups. What we like. This weather stripping features a universal design, making it a versatile choice for various garage doors. It's also incredibly easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution to reduce noise and improve your garage's comfort, you should consider this. What people say. Forms a tight seal. Started to install and raise the door to about 3 to 4 foot about the ground. Use Dawn Turbo Wash, spray it on both sides of the track before sliding it into the groove. Number 4. Papillon Garage Door Seal Strip. This seal creates a tight barrier, blocking water, rain, snow, and leaves. It helps keep your garage clean, dry, and quiet, while also saving energy. Made from durable EPDM rubber, it can withstand extreme temperatures. It won't crack or break, reducing condensation damage and preventing rust. The seal is up to 20 feet long and 3.5 inches wide, and can be easily cut to fit your garage door. This ensures a perfect seal for your specific needs. Installation is quick and easy, with no professional help needed. The seal comes slightly longer than advertised, giving you enough material for your project. This seal is designed to withstand daily vehicle traffic and harsh weather. It provides long-lasting protection for your garage while maintaining flexibility. What we like. This product is made from premium EPDM rubber, which can withstand extreme temperatures. The DIY-friendly installation means you can set it up quickly without professional help. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable weatherproofing solution that can handle harsh weather, this is the one for you. What people say. The seal is holding up well and has sealed the gap at the bottom of the door. The product has a great design, and it works perfectly. The installation was easy, and the seal is doing a great job. Number 3. ToLanbbt 20-foot Garage Threshold Seal Strip. This garage threshold seal is made from flexible EPDM rubber, designed to withstand extreme temperatures and daily use. It won't crack or shatter, ensuring long-lasting performance on various surfaces. The seal effectively blocks water, leaves, dust, and wind-driven rain from entering your garage. It creates a tight seal, reducing condensation and keeping your space cleaner and drier. This strip forms a tight fit, keeping your garage cool in summer and warm in winter. This helps reduce energy costs, saving you money on heating and air conditioning. The package includes adhesive for quick and simple installation. It's suitable for various gap sizes and can be easily cut to fit your specific needs. The total length is 20 feet. The bright yellow safety strip ensures high visibility. Anti-slip ridges provide added safety for both people and vehicles. The grooved base ensures excellent adhesion to the floor. What we like. This garage door seal is made from durable EPDM rubber, ensuring it can withstand daily use and extreme temperatures. It also includes sealant for a secure installation. If you want a weather strip that offers both functionality and safety with its high visibility design, you should consider this. What people say. The 16.5-foot length was easy to cut to size, and the kit included plenty of adhesive, no need to buy extra. Installation was straightforward, and the seal fits snugly. Most importantly, it truly works, rainwater stays out, and the garage stays protected. Easy to install, perfect width to keep mice, bugs, cold air and water out. Comes with everything you need to install. It works well and is easy to install. No water in the garage. Number 2. Heavy-duty 20-foot weather stripping. Tired of drafts and high-energy bills? This weather stripping is the perfect solution. It effectively seals gaps around doors and windows, keeping your home comfortable. With a length of 20 feet, you can cut it to fit any size. It's made from durable silicone gel, ensuring it lasts for a long time. Made from high-quality silicate gel, this weather stripping is flexible and resilient. The upgraded adhesive ensures it sticks firmly, even when wet. Installation is simple. Just clean and dry the surface before applying. For cold environments, use a hairdryer to warm the adhesive for better bonding. This product is energy efficient, blocking cold and hot air. It also protects against noise, wind, water, and dust, providing year-round comfort. It's ideal for various applications, including sliding doors, steel windows, and shower rooms. You can use it anywhere you need to seal a gap. What we like. This weather stripping can be cut to any size for a perfect fit, making it adaptable to your specific needs. It features a strong adhesive for a secure hold. If you are looking for a versatile solution that can be used on various doors and windows to save energy, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to cut and simple to put all the way around the door. This did the job of both and the door still shut fine. Super easy to install and effective. Number 1. Garage Door Weatherstripping, Universal Seal Strip. Tired of cold air, dust, and leaves entering your garage? This weather stripping provides a tight seal on the top and sides of your garage door. It keeps your garage cleaner and drier. Made of TPE, this seal is built to last. It remains flexible even in extreme temperatures, ensuring a long-lasting and effective barrier against the elements. This material is stable. This seal creates a tight fit, helping to keep your garage warm in winter and cool in summer. This helps you save money on energy bills by preventing air leaks. Replacing your old weather stripping is quick and easy. The adhesive backing makes installation simple, and you can add screws for extra security. It's a simple upgrade. This seal is suitable for various garage door shapes. With a generous length, it offers complete protection for your garage. It's designed to fit most doors. What we like. This product seals both the top and sides of your garage door, providing comprehensive protection. It's made of durable TPE material, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. If you want a complete, energy-saving solution that keeps your garage clean and comfortable, you should consider this. What people say. It really helps in keeping the bugs and critters from coming in around your garage door. The adhesive stuck to old oxidized flashing long enough to get screws seated. Even in 0-degree weather, the stripping remained flexible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.